Good afternoon. It is like almost 4 o'clock, and I deconditioned my hair. Well, not really deconditioning my hair. I put a lot of leave-in stuff in. I'm trying to protect it from the sun. So I figured I'll do like this head wrap on my head to keep the sun from like blazing down on it. I have like a silk wrap underneath here too to help out. I know the cotton of this scarf will like this suck all the juices right out my head. It's hot out here. We went to Walmart earlier to do like a grocery shopping and came back home for him to take a nap, because if you have a toddler, you understand that, you know, he needs to take a nap. He needs to lay down in his crib and go to sleep. And I'm glad he did. He took almost a 3-hour nap, which like never happens, but he took a 3-hour nap today, and he's in a lot better mood than he was when he went down, before he went down. He missed a baby shower. I texted mom. She said, oh, it's fine, it's fine. I was like, really? Okay. So I think I'm just going to mail her to give. I used to work with her, so it's not like I'm going to see her on Monday or anything. So I'm thinking I'm just going to mail her the gift, and yeah, and be okay just like that. We're going to Publix because I need some stuff for a recipe that I'm making. I'm using the Laura Vitale cookbook, and I'm doing a roasted chicken that she has in there. We had a whole chicken in there in the freezer, so I unthawed it earlier, well, yesterday or something. And now I'm going to season it up really well and put it in the oven. I'm thinking about putting some roasted potatoes around it. I'm thinking about it. It doesn't call for it, but I'm thinking about seasoning potatoes up, putting it around it, and possibly even putting some vegetables in there too as well. That way it's kind of like a one-pot deal. That's what I'm thinking. If you guys follow Laura Vitale, I've been following her for a very long time. She used to do vlogs on her vlog channel, and she kind of stopped doing that, probably because she's like super busy. She's big time now, girl. I love her. She had a I don't know if she still has it, but she has a beauty channel, and she had a vlog channel, and then she still has her Laura Vitale cooking channel. And she just put up a Sangria recipe that I'm going to go look at and see. Laura Vitale is a great cook, and her recipes are uber simple to make, and they always come out really good. I've made her recipes before, like off of watching one of her vlogs that she put up, and now that she has a cookbook, which the cookbook's been out for maybe like 2 or 3 years now, and I've had the cookbook for a while, but I make the recipes out of the cookbook, it comes out good. All of the time comes out good. So I'm really pleased, really excited and happy about that, because sometimes I find I'm watching people on YouTube cook, or just a cooking channel in general, and the stuff doesn't really always come out as great, and I'm following them to the T, or it's just so many ingredients. It's like a little bit of this, that. I'm like, okay, this is a lot, and you're not going to even use it all the time. And with Laura Vitale, her recipes is stuff that you're actually going to keep in your refrigerator and use. It's a little more Italian-American based, but I love Italian food, so it works for me. And I don't have a lot of cookbooks, and she's one. When she came out her cookbook, I was on it to get her cookbook, okay? Another person I mentioned, Miss Liz Hart. She does like beauty-related videos. She does some mommy content, not a lot, but mostly beauty-related stuff, home decor. But she also do recipes, and her recipes turn out really good too. And I use her roast beef, crock pot roast beef dish all the time. Maybe we'll go to Joann's trip since we're over here. Why not? There's so much traffic back there. Just ridiculous, the amount of traffic. But I'm not going to have this entire vlog of me talking in the car. So I will see you guys in the grocery store. Where are we at? It's so quiet in here. Should we show what we got already? These were 80% off. So these would be great for play with in the backyard. It's so freaking hot outside. So, they have all their fall stuff out. I got some really nice pumpkins here. Oopsies, last year, but they have these pumpkins. And these pumpkins, they're really pretty. They're 30% off now. Oh my god, look at this. Pre-trip days, I would have been like all about that. And these look like those baskets that people have that they're Rita and stuff in. And this stuff is already on sale for 30% off. Let's see. Oh, look at this, pretty. This is cute. Probably can make this though. Look at the pumpkin. This pumpkin stuff is really nice, but I'm just like, where is Christmas? La, 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 la. Oh, they go tobacco baskets. We don't have tobacco baskets in our house, okay? Can't have this on too, because they got music playing in here. La, 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 la. I guess they did like Christmas in July. Probably what it is, Christmas in July. Y'all, I'm a bit obsessed. Look at all the pretty scrap paper. Oh my gosh, so cute. See the flamingos? Isn't that cute? I need to work on his scrapbook. Oh look, they even have a clock. This is cute, Trip. If I can get the clock out, I want to see the clock. That's neat. That's cute. 40% off, y'all. They have the stamps for, these stamps are, yeah, these are clear stamps. That is cool. Oh my Lanta. Look at there. The girl with the fro. Yes. This is so cute. That's so cute. I have a little planner like this, and I was using it to write down the nursing times, and then my friend told me about this app. This is so nice that they have these carts here. It's pretty good. Look at donuts. Oh my gosh. Don't need donuts. I stay focused. I have my list, so I'm gonna stay focused. I do need pine nuts, so let's see if we can go find where the pine nuts are at. And maybe the Parmesan cheese. Back home, and I am using my Laura Vitale book. I lost a bookmark. And I'm making this, oops, it's a picture, my version of her sausage and bean lentil meal right here. This is a great cookbook. You need one. I think I talked about that earlier. So I was looking at the receipt to see what the regular price of this toy is. $15. I would not pay $15 for this. $15, and then this was like 10. I got this for like 2, and this for like 3. So there's no way in the world. So we're gonna use that outside in the backyard. I'm thinking, oh perfect. I'm thinking tomorrow we'll do pool and stuff, and in the backyard we'll have those toys for him to play with. So. Just got my canning stuff out. We're gonna can tonight too. Y'all having fun over there? More tomato paste. More Brussels sprouts. And more lemons. I remember my bags. I was so proud. have a bunch of those plastic bags. So this is Laura Vitale's version. This is my version. I still need to put parsley on top of mine. And I made Brussels sprouts to go along with it. I added a lot more tomato paste than she did because I really like the tomato paste flavor. And I also use a mix of soup beans instead of lentil because this is what I had on hand. So, what do you guys think? Looks good? I think it's going to be good. Oh my gosh, the dill pickle bath, which is just pretty much vinegar, pickling, salt, and water, equal parts. And then I have the lids prepping there. The jars are been sanitized, and here are some of my pickles and peppers from the garden. I'm going to see how much I'm able to get done. Hopefully I can get at least these 5 in the cannon jar. So we'll see what happens, but I'll show you guys my progress and how's it going. Put some mustard seeds on top. Some dill and mustard seeds, and it'll just kind of float down to the bottom, as you can see. I may be able to get one more. We'll see. I was able to get 4 jars filled with pickles and peppers. And those are mustard seeds and dill in there. I don't have it filled all the way to the top, but I'll listen to Miss Vaughn vlog. I got her up on the TV. I ain't gonna show y'all my house because it's extremely messy, so we just keeping y'all right here. But just wanted to show you guys my dill pickles that I'm working on. You hear that pop? That was a good sign. Good sign when you hear the pop. Oops, oh Lord. Don't knock them down. That's a good sign. It means it's sealed. Good morning! We have bathing suits on because we're going to go outside after we eat breakfast. It is 9:40. We had a very interesting last night that I was not going to vlog. Someone threw up a couple times. I think he just ate something that didn't settle with his stomach. So, these are how they look. So, to see they seal properly, I just take the rings off and pick them up to see if they work. Now, I only heard 3 pops, so I'm not sure if this is going to work, but we're going to see. Mommy wants to see if these seal properly, and this shouldn't be on super tight. Yep, this one's sealed. Somebody now has diarrhea, so we have to go and get some Pedialyte. I don't know, maybe being outside yesterday a lot. I don't know, he's dehydrated. I don't know. I have no idea, but I'm gonna try to get some Pedialyte in him and get him hydrated. I had the pool and everything set up for him to play out this morning, but throwing up, now diarrhea. Oh, and I often get diapers because one thing I don't do